Hey, hi everyone, this is Admin from Admin 365, and in this video we'll talk about how to fix the error set-cache mailbox not recognized error in PowerShell. So let's get started. So we get this error basically when we try to run a PowerShell command, but the PowerShell which we are trying to run the command on is not successfully connected to the specific admin center where the command belongs to. So let's see. So for us to be able to run it, we'll have to make sure that the PowerShell which we have open is open as an administrator. So you can right click on the PowerShell and run as administrator. Do make sure that you select Windows PowerShell. And if you get a prompt to accept, click on yes. That will open the application. And once the application is open, do make sure you see the administrator written before the Windows PowerShell. That means that it has been opened as administrator, which we want. If we are trying to run an Exchange command, we'll have to make sure that we are connected to Exchange Online properly. If we are trying to run a SharePoint command, we'll have to make sure that we are connected to the SharePoint admin center correctly. So for Exchange command, we'll have to first install the Exchange Online module. So we'll run this command: install -module -name Exchange Online Management. This is the module which we will require to connect to the Exchange Online. And once you run the command, you will get this prompt to confirm the installation. We simply have to type A, as you can see, with all the options available, and hit enter. For me, on my computer, it is already installed. It is not the latest version, but it is installed. If I wish to install the latest version, I can add -force and it will install the latest version, which I will not do at this moment. And once we have the module installed, we'll have to import the module. If in case you get error while doing the installation or the import, something about the execution policy, you will have to make sure that the execution policy is set to either remote signed or unrestricted. You can run this command prior to everything as well, that's completely fine. So the command which we will have to run is this: set-execution policy remote signed. And then you can press A for alpha and enter. Remote signed basically means that you are allowing all the scripts which is signed by Microsoft. And you can later change the execution policy if you wish. So now you have set the execution policy on the computer. Run the connect command, which is required to connect to Exchange Online. Connect-Exchange Online and hit enter. It will then prompt you to sign in with the admin account. For Exchange, we will have to use the Exchange admin credential, or if you have a global admin credential, you can use that as well for us to be able to connect to Exchange Online for your respective Office 365 tenant. And you can simply choose the account. If you don't see it here, you can simply click on use another account and add the email address and password. For me, this is the admin account, so I can simply click on this. If you see this message followed by the next line, it means that it has been successfully connected, and you can simply run the command which you were trying to. So there you go, guys. This is how you can connect to the admin center using the PowerShell to be able to run the command successfully. Do let me know if you have any question. You can drop it in the comment section, and you have a nice day. Bye, take care.